Design with Emma, let's make a change. Nothing is too far and out of range. Budget friendly magic with a soft sprinkle. Watch the inspiration and the ideas grow. Emma's got the vision, you got the heart. Spring is the season for a brand new start. So go ahead and Today's video is my front porch makeover for spring. So I'm gonna take you in and let you take a look at it. I kept up the same wreath. What I've done, I've added a sash and a yellow bowl. I've also added more flowers to the wreath. So I'm gonna take you in and let you take a look at it. Then I'm gonna come back and tell you a little bit about it. Okay, so let me tell you a little bit about what I've done here. I've taken up the bunny mat and I put back down the mat with the White House on it. That was from, oh gosh, it was in Hobby Lobby, Kirkland's. Over here, I've just changed out the bows on the lantern. Of course, I kept the black and white check bows, and I went in and added the yellow bows to it to match the color scheme. My boxwoods, all I've done, I went in and added yellow flowers all the way around it, just to give it a little color and to match the wreath. And as I said, with the wreath, what I've done, I've added the bow and the sash and other roses in with my wreath. And I think it turned out beautifully. It just added a little more of a punch to that wreath. On the other side, I have the same. I have the back boxwoods that I've added the flowers into it just to give it a little color. And on the bottom here, I have my other lantern that I've added the yellow bow into it. So I kept it about the same, but I did go in and add the flowers to the boxwood and took out the bunny ears. And with the wreath, I've just added the sash and the yellow bowl, and I think it turned out beautifully. Now, you all wait for the night view. The lantern was one here that I picked up from Goodwill. The boxwoods were from Joann Fabric. And my large vases here were from Amazon, and I've had them a while. And I really use the same on each side. This large lantern was from a friend of mine that I redone. It was brown, I think, and I repainted it black. So you all wait for the night view, but this is my front porch spring makeover. Now for summer, I may come back in and change it. I'm not for sure, but this is what I have for now. Hold on and wait for that night view. This is Friends with Super Channels. I want to thank Gio for inviting me to be a part of Friends with Super Channels. Also want to thank the design family for coming along with me, because without you, I could not do this. So again, I say thank you. And if you're not a part of our family, I'm gonna ask you hit that like, comment, subscribe, and come along and be a part of our family. We would love to have you. This is Emma. Wait for that night view. And now for the night view. I'll take you in and let you take a look at it.